How to see Facebook password if you forgot? Open Facebook application. Make sure to log into your Facebook account. Go to three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen and tap on gear icon at the top of the screen. On the settings and privacy page, open See More in Account Center. Now under account settings, select password and security. Here tap on change password. Now select your account that you want to make the changes. On this section, there is no any option to see the password if you forgot, but if you don't remember the current password, then you can tap on forgotten your password and easily change from this page and know the password. The another way you can do is you need to go back from this Facebook and you have to open the Google. Once you open, tap on profile at the top right corner of the screen. Select Google account. Now you have to scroll and select security. On this security page, you need to select the password manager. When you locate password manager, tap on manage passwords. And if you have saved your password on Google, you can easily find out Facebook. Here, tap on it and you have to enter your lock screen or screen lock. Scan your fingerprint and here you can easily see the Facebook password if you forgot. That's it. Thank you for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.